So this corresponding angles, which is like the abbreviated version, is CA. That's what each of these letters in parentheses mean. They're just, a lot of the time I won't write out, of course, you guys know I can't spell, and my handwriting is horrible. So instead of writing corresponding angles each time, I'll write CA. Okay? So can somebody give me an example of corresponding angles?
1, 2.
Nope.
1, 4.
Nope.
1, 3.
No.
2.
1 and 5. 1 and 5 is an example. Okay, so we've got corresponding angles. We've got angle 1 and 5. We also that would be 2 and 8. And we've got 3 and 7. Can somebody tell me the last one? There's one more. If 3 and 7 is 1, if 1 and 5 is 1, it should be 4 and 8, yeah. And then it should be angle 2 and 6. And these are equal to each other. So if you want to put an equal sign next to it that says corresponding angles, you're better off. We're looking at alternate interior angles next. Can anybody give me an example of an alternate interior angle? 4 and 5, good. There's one more. Shh. 4 and 5, there's one more alternate interior angle.
2 and 7.
Nope. 3 and 6. And the reason it's those and not 2 and 7 is because they're inside. They're inside the parallel lines, and these are also equal to each other. So one of the examples I heard for alternate exterior angles, for interior angles that was very close, was 2 and 7. And those are alternate exterior angles. What's the other alternate exterior angle? 1 and 8. And these are also equal to each other. Okay.
Oh.
Same side interior angles. Same side interior angles. 4 and 6. What is the other one? 3 and 5. And these are supplementary. That means they add up to 180. And same side exterior. Can somebody give me an example of that? Same side exterior. 1 and 7 and 2 and 8. And these are also supplementary. They add up to 180. Okay? So this is what your whole packet is on. Okay. So, you guys need a second to write this down?
I don't know what the same side interior is.
Same side interior. So, that's in green. These are same side interior. When we add them up, they equal 180. So, everything for these two parallel lines either is equal to each other or adds up to 180. A couple that we often forget that I think it's good for us to go over. What are 1 and 2? Angle 1 and 2 are what? What is that called? Linear pair. Okay, we've got linear pairs. And linear means line, right? So what do you think? Do you think those are equal or do you think they add up to 180? Yeah, they're supplementary. Okay, here's another one. What about 1 and 4? 1 and 4 are vertical angles, or VA, and they are congruent. Okay? So those are important ones that you should have on there too. We sometimes forget about those. Those are important as well. So alternate interior angles are 4 and 5. 3 and 7. So here we go. We got 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And it should be 3 and 6. 3. Those are alternate interior angles.
Wait, you said the same side interior of 3 and 5, but you don't have something else.
3 and 5 and 4 and 6.
That's 3, my bad.
That's my bad.
4, 5, 3, and 6.
Mm-hmm. it's 4 and 6, and 3 and 5, sorry. 4 and 6. Okay. 4 and 6, 3 and 5. And then same side exterior are 1 and 7, 2 and 8. Linear pairs are, for example, 1 and 2. And a vertical angle example, just one example, is 1 and 4. There's a lot more vertical angles than linear pairs. I just gave you one example of those instead of all the examples. Okay. So, I will put this back up in just a second in case you didn't get it written down. But, you're going to work on your parallel lines packet. In order to receive full credit for effort, you need to complete it before the end of the hour and get it checked off by me. That's not true. I'll let you do it for homework. Okay? We actually won't do this part. Okay, so you do not need to get it done by the end of the hour. If you need to take it for homework, that's fine with me. You have the rest of the hour to work on it, though. It should not take you very long. I'm going to put this back up here.